All right, we're gonna throw hole 1 on True Timber's disc golf course, and I have a flex buzz, so we're gonna see what happens. All the way down this little hill here. All right, this guy with a little backhand. Much.
Ooh, so close.
All right, here goes Leo.
Oh.
That actually looked like it might have gone somewhere good. All right, hole 1 was an easy par 3, but a fun one. Now we're going up the hill, past the fence to the right. So let's see where this TL takes us. Middle of the fairway. Go for a little hyzer right here. Easy picking. Alright, hole 3, we're going to go through the gap to the left pretty hard, so we'll give it a flick. Oh, off the pole. Alright, you're good. Woo! Oh, nice.
It went.
You went into it.
Oh. I see it.
Oh, jump into the trunk.
No.
You made it through. That is sick.
Oh.
Pop it down there. Higher, get in there. Alright, so we're on an old train track here, and we're gonna dog leg a little bit to the right, and it looks like the basket's hanging up somewhere. So we'll give it a little meteor action. Alright, call it up nice and high. Look at that. That's like an ace run right there. Oh!
That was close.
Alright, here we go. Walk into the crazy shot. And it looks like a little hanging area was built right above the basket. I'm not quite sure what happened, but there's my drive. Whew, that was fun. I'd like to take a moment to give a shout out to everybody who worked on True Timber, Jason McGuckin, John Green, John Houghton, Aaron Houghton, all y'all bros. Hey John, congratulations on the baby, by the way. This course is freaking awesome. Say what's up, Leo. We are loving our afternoon adventure. Peace, love, and disc golf for life. Here we are on hole 5. It's pretty much a straight shot behind these trees, so I'm gonna try to forehand it right through the woods with the TL. Let's see just whereabouts we're at. Look at that. Money, 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 money. I like this hole. All right.
Actually, I might forehand it.
Yeah, just. Okay, backhand it.
Oh.
Freaking wheel forward. All right, you see the. All right, what you gonna do?
Look, it says flick, but it looks like that's a U.
Uh huh. Uh huh. Uh huh.
Oh.
Come back. Yeah, look at the Just chunk it in. Woo! All right, so hole 6 over here looks like it did something shady against the mob, and they buried it in concrete. It's gonna be a little dog leg to the right, so we're gonna throw a nice gentle turnover with the TL and see what happens. Oh. And a tortoise! Pretty cool. Alright, so hole 7 over here, it's got the frame and it looks like it's still a little muddy, so a little bit of work being done. Big shout out to everybody doing the work here. It's a whole lot of fun. We got like a nasty shot through the woods, so we're going to try a little overhead Tommy action. So, with the putt. Alright, so we got this beautiful bridge that our members have built, and you can see some of the true timber action being put into play. So I love the use of trees on this course. Thumbs up on that idea. We're going to try to sink this putt. Alright, so this tee has not been finished, but it's clear and it's going to dog leg to the right again. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to kind of do a standstill. I'm going to flick it and we're going to cross our fingers and hope for the best. That was not bad at all. I hit a tree and I faded off into the middle. Alright, so we had a lot of fun in the woods. We had some mixed different types of baskets hanging on a train track on a built structure. We had like the concrete mafia hole. Now we're out into the open, so we're going to have a little gap through the woods over the creek into a beautiful open spot. You want to zoom in way down there? We got some people finishing the hole. So I'm going to step back to the tee pad and try to flex my Glow Colossus from the Winchester IFO. I don't know what year, PDJ event number, blah, 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 blah. Let's check it out. All right, come on over here a sec. So I crushed a pretty good drive. Look where I landed, down to a horseshoe pit. We're looking at that basket over there. I thought that was a little bit farther than 305 feet, but I can't see nothing. Oh, there it is. So we're gonna have to make a money putt in order to get it in. And so we'll take out a little disc and make it from here.
Ooh, so close.
Pretty close. All right, phone's about to die, so that's all the love we have for you today. Let's make this par. -2. That was a lot of fun. Could have done a lot better, but you know, the most fun wins. I want to thank Rock Leo for our recording session and some super fun shots. And we're going to go finish the back tire on our own. New video to come another day. Like and subscribe because you want to join in on the fun for everyone. Peace and love. All right, so we're just going to try the crazy hyzer with the flick. There you go. Look at that. Money, 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 money. Look. All right, so hole 11, unknown footage, but it's like a fun little gap with some trees here and a little extra on the right. So you want to try to go around to the left if you can do it. So we're going to try to flick this TL on in there and see what we can do with this bad boy. Look at that. Hit the gap. Come on, drop it down. Oh, hit a little branch. Middle of the fairway.
Oh, what the?
What the fuck, Richard? This is what happens when you throw a bad shot at true timber. You end up having to climb over a pile of tires. How many snakes you want to bet are in there? Oh, snap. And there's our disc. All right, this is a zip line from 11 to 12. I guess there's another one on the other side. All right, Rock Leo, hit it.
It's not going.
Woo!
It's out.
Oh, you know why? Because you let it get hung up on that thing. Hold on.
Ah! No.
All right, so it's Road Daddy with Rock Leo here, and we just left True Timber, where we got like John Houghton, Aaron Houghton, John Green, and Jason McGuckin, a bunch of guys with River City are putting together a disc golf course on the True Timber property. And when we were leaving, we were talking about the Southside Community Center, which is this little building over here, and they have like a old sort of skate area off to the side. And the city of Richmond has funded a multi-million-dollar renovation, restoration, more like just building stuff in the community kind of money project off of this Walmsley Boulevard area, which is fairly close to Scottingham Estates and Midlothian Turnpike. And we were talking about the skate park, which is very comparable to Tony Hawk's in Seaville. And as we passed by, what happened?
They have already started working on it.
They have already started working on it, and look at that. Some guys snuck in. We're not going to give them a hard time. They are just as excited as we are, dropping in on the half pipe, the quarter pipes, and whatnot. So we are super stoked. Like and subscribe to the channel for more action, because you never know what kind of adventure awaits. Woo, Daddy!